Okay, Honda. This is 2002 to 2006 Honda CR-V, and I think this car applied to that year, but all Honda should be very similar to it, including like Civic and Pilot or Ridgeline or Accord. They are very similar to this one. If you do it other car, you can use this guideline to diagnose your Honda car too. Now on this right here, if you turn your keys on and you turning your fan and nothing come out from here, okay? Now sometimes your fan resistor is out, but not on this right here. On the resistor is out is if you put right here low and high, and you put high is low, or you put right here is nothing, or you put them down here nothing, but you put right here is kind of on, then yeah, then your fan motor resistor is out. But on this right here, it doesn't matter which selection you put on, and it doesn't come on. So this is the fan blower motor is out. Okay, we'll show you how to remove that simple stuff right here. Okay, so your blow motor right here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to test my blow motor with a battery to see if this is work before I take him out. Or I can just take him out because there's a couple of screw only. I'm going to take him out before I can test it. Okay. Okay, inside here you have 3 screw. This is like a star. It's not even a screwdriver. A screwdriver is like this, a plus, but this right here is like something else. Let me go find the right socket. So on this right here, it's a T25. So try to see if T25 is work. Yep, it is working. T25. Okay. It's working pretty good. So let me unplug the back here. So the plug is a clip. Ooh, I can see burning right there. See that brown right there? That's burning. So that means the motor is blow. Okay. I can test it to see any electrical coming out through here. Maybe that can be burning out, or the motor burning out. And I can see the motor on that side right here is burning, so I'm pretty sure the motor is gone. Okay, I can test it. So on this right here, I'm going to apply 12 volt from my jumper to see if the fan will kick in. Okay, so on this, it don't really matter which side I touch. It just the fan will spin either positive or negative way, that's all. Okay, I'll turn it. Okay. So that means the motor is still good. It could be the plug is burning out or the fuse burning out somewhere. Yeah, motor is pretty strong. Okay, we'll go check the inside to see if any power to it. I'm going to leave my ignitions on and I'll turn the fan to max. So from here, on this right here, I will see, nothing I can touch. Let me using some ground from the vehicle, and I'm going to use the door ground right here, and I will touch this side to see if any power coming through. Okay, you see that I have reading right there, so that means power is here. Then could be this is corroded, that's why it's not working. Okay, so after I take the back and I clean it out where the burning corroded, and the motor is working, but I guess probably the motor is burning, that's why it have that problem. So I'm going to put a new motor. The owner was telling me that it worked time to time if he kick it the glove box and it will work. So I'm guessing that the motor is not very working properly. So I'm going to replace the motor, because I don't think that this motor is working very nice, because I can feel vibrated when the fan's on. Okay, so replace new motor, always plus on this. Okay, so I want to test the new one to see how it's running, because the new one is supposed to be smooth. Okay, right, let me turn on. Okay, quiet, and it's not feel the vibration like the other one. Okay, so that's the difference. So the other one is the motor, it probably burning out, that's why it got burning this clip right here, and also the motor probably gone. So all right, I'm gonna put this back. Okay, this right here is supposed to be go right here. You know, if you do put this one on the side, it won't fit, because that is only designed to fit on only right here. Okay, see. Okay, want to make sure you see it, that right there, that's what I talk about. Okay, okay. So now let's test to see it's work. Okay, you can hear that. All right, so it's working. Let's put ACs on. So A is blow, the fans blow. So all right, pretty simple fix, and thank you for watching. Please help subscribe. Okay, bye bye now.